What is the relationship between medical research ethics and human rights? Have you ever wondered how medical research ethics connects with human rights? This relationship is vital for protecting individuals involved in research. Medical research ethics and human rights both aim to ensure the dignity, safety, and well-being of participants. Medical research ethics provides moral principles that guide researchers. These principles include respect, beneficence, and justice toward participants. Human rights establish legal obligations for states and institutions to protect fundamental freedoms for everyone, including those in research. At the heart of medical research ethics is the relationship between the doctor and the patient, or the researcher and the subject. This relationship emphasizes informed consent, confidentiality, and minimizing harm. Ethical guidelines and professional standards encourage respect for individuals. In contrast, human rights operate on a broader socio-political level. They impose duties on governments and organizations to uphold minimum standards that prevent exploitation and abuse in research. Historical ethical codes have laid the groundwork for this relationship. The Nuremberg Code, the Declaration of Helsinki, and the Belmont Report highlight principles like voluntary informed consent and risk minimization. These ethical frameworks align with human rights protections by affirming the importance of individual dignity and autonomy. For instance, human rights law prohibits torture and degrading treatment, which directly relates to banning harmful research practices. In practice, the integration of medical research ethics with human rights means that research participants must be fully informed and give voluntary consent without any coercion. Their privacy must be respected, and they should be protected by independent ethics committees. These committees review research proposals to ensure compliance with both ethical standards and human rights obligations. Additionally, the human rights framework demands legal accountability when violations occur, providing a mechanism beyond ethical appeals. While medical ethics focuses on beneficence and the personal relationship between researcher and participant, human rights stress justice and the state's role in protecting individuals. Sometimes these perspectives may conflict, such as when confidentiality must be breached for legal reasons. However, together they create a system that maximizes protections for vulnerable individuals. Overall, medical research ethics and human rights intersect from a framework that safeguards human dignity, autonomy, and welfare in medical research. Ethics provide moral guidance for conduct, while human rights offer enforceable legal protections. This ensures that research respects fundamental human values and freedoms.